I went back to the little barrio in Pampanga, it is just within the family I place myself in. So, forgive me if I will stammer or whatever, but one thing I tell you, my first time and even at the minute I met the current rector, I was Del Monte. Sabi ko, where are the cappuccinos? So, nag-confess na ako kay Father. As a matter of fact, the first time I met the former rector, Father, sabi ko, please love the alumni. And truly, what I told, what Father mentioned this afternoon, I told him, if children are the wealth of parents, the alumni are the wealth of the school and the living witnesses or living trophies of the school as well. Kayo, alumni. Totoo yun. Ano ba ano ba dapat ko sabihin ngayon? Anong inspiration mo? I am the one inspired, not you being inspired. I am the one inspired by you. Well, I thank the Lord that perhaps among us present here, I am the youngest. I am only 80. 80. And I'm from batch 61. I'm from batch 61. Ilang taon pa lang ang Lourdes noon. So, I started in 1961. We were in the old grade school building. And then later on, well, the high school was then in the third floor, become the fourth floor. Fourth floor. We occupied one floor. And then it was transferred here. Wala pa ito. The old high school building, ito, was first used by the prep. And then later on, they were transferred to the grade school building, and this whole stretch was occupied by the high school. When I first came here, there were only 2 sections per school level, per year level, 2 sections. And then, do you know how many per section there were per section? 35 was the biggest number, 35 per section. That is how big we were at that time. Kanina nasabi nila na Lourdes School is that borrowed from La Salle and the Ateneo. At that time, we already claimed that. First of all, sa tuition lang. Tismisan na ito. Lourdes School was, I think, was the lowest sa tuition at that time. But the teachers received comparatively higher salary than San Beda and La Salle at that time. In relation to the tuition fees that the students pay, mas mahal ang tuition, mas mataas ang salary ng teachers at that time because 120. We started at 120 pesos a month at that time, in 1961, 120 pesos. Pero, in relation to the tuition fees that the students pay, mas mataas ang sweldo ng teachers sa Lourdes kaysa sa San Pedro at that time. Also, during those times, Lourdes School was called Ateneo also. Ateneo, bakit kanyo? Ateneo de la Loma. Alisin mo la Loma, Ateneo pa rin. Alam niyo kung bakit? The grade school principal came from the Ateneo. He was the former principal of the late Senator Manglapus, Mr. Bautista. No? And the teachers, mostly in the grade school and even in the high school, came from the Ateneo. Yeah. Until the other teachers invaded the school. UST, Mrs. Canabel, Mrs. Nyada, myself, we are from UST, the great UST. Yung iba hindi na. They came from Normal, Philippine Normal University now. Ano pa? But there were two groups of teachers at that time, Father. If I may confess to you. The first group was the Ilocano group. And the second group was the non-Ilocano. The non-Ilocanos. During those times, but we were all good friends. We were all good friends. Ang saya-saya namin. Palibasa siguro kakunti kami. No? We were one big family. We were one big family. And also, Father, yung mga superiors namin, at that time, they were all Spaniards. No? Francisco, Castell, Arieta, Father, I forgot the others already. Bata Pino. They were a group of humorous priests. Mapagbiro. Oo, mapagbiro. We enjoyed working with the priests at that time. Our first Filipino rector was Father Troy de los Santos. You know, a very nice man. I think he's now in United Arab Abu Dhabi. Okay, he was the first Filipino rector. Then sumunod, Father Dave. Well, sabi ko chismis, pero nakalimutan ko na. Hindi, alam niyo, Father, I think this is the effect of my poor eyesight. I can see people, but I cannot recognize. Especially if I'm not used to them, no? Si Jody, nakita ko, si Mrs. Avila, nakilala ko kagad, kahit na medyo malayo. But otherwise, last story ko na lang sa inyo. sa San Miguel, ha? Lagi ka sila nagsasabi. Tinetext kita, ikaw sumasagot. Yung retina of my eyes, especially the right one, no, medyo delikado ano niya. Anyway, sabi ko, matanda na naman ito. Kailangan magpahinga na rin. But, 3 alumni for it. I did not ask them. It so happened, I think, on one occasion, I told one of these 3 that I have poor eyesight. And he told, because he is not permanently settled in the Philippines, he was in the States. Sabi niya, sinabi sa isang kaibigan nila. And that kaibigan told the other kaibigan. And the second who got the news told me, Sir, sabi niya, yung bang mata mo, ganyan? Yes. Let me help you. I already had my cataract operation of both eyes at that time. Kailangan siguro, sabi niya, magpatingin kasi ibang doctors. O sige, sabi ko, pero pagka dadalhin ko, sabi niya, wala po. Kung may sinabi siya ng amount, I will not have done it. Because I do not have the money. He said na, okay. Pinasundo ako ng isang alumnos sa Pampanga. Pinasundo ako 7:30 in the morning, nandun na because my appointment was at 10:30 in Makati. Asian Eye Institute at that time. But my doctor put up his own Pacific Eye Institute, also in Makati. You know, this is my 3rd year. This is the 3rd year that I'm going to this doctor, Harvey Uy. I never spent a single centavo, kahit na yung late lunch namin, the alumni, these 3 alumni, everyone spending the amount, the gasoline that pick me up and bring me back home. Kaya, that is an inspiration for you people. I challenge you, kung di man ako, you still have your former teachers who will need your help. Sabi ko na, you are our wealth. You are the wealth of the school. You are our living trophies. No? In the same way that your parents hold you as their trophies. May God bless all of us. Thank you.